Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. So today I'm back with another new recipe of mine, which is fish curry. So come, let's get started with the recipe. First, in a bowl we will add some salt, some haldi, some Kashmiri lal powder, some red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we'll add some water and give this all a good mix. Now in a pan we will add some mustard oil, and then we will add the green chilies, the onions, mix this all up really well. Add the tomatoes into it. Yeah friends, mix it. Cover it for 2 minutes, and then after that we will remove the lid and add the entire paste of the masala that we had made. Mix this up nicely. Now after that we will add some fish masala to it. Toss it around well, and then add the peas to it. Approximately 1 bowl of peas. Mix this, and then we will add some sugar. That's optional. After that friends, we will add all the fish that I had fried separately, and then add some water to it and some garam masala. After a while we will add on some 1 piece of lime and dhania patta at the end. This is a lovely delicious recipe friends. Please do try it. You can have it with chapati, paratha, but I would suggest you it's most tasty with rice, with white rice. I'm sure you all will love this recipe friends. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel friends. Please do. Thank you. Till then, see you in another video. Bye.